It has been a terrific day for Shelbys and Mustangs, and it's going to continue right now with the arrival of this 1969 Boss 429, John.
Oh, man, Candyapple Red, that big, beefy 429 with those big, exotic cylinder heads. Factory rating on that engine was actually called the Cobra Jet. I know it's a little confusing with the 428 Cobra Jet. 69 as well, but they called it the Cobra Jet. It was rated 375 horsepower. It actually had a smaller carburetor than the Boss 302. It really had trouble getting that engine sort of toned down and drivable and tractable with enough low-end torque and for it to meet the emission standards.
And that's what you're looking for right there. KK Carcraft 429 on the inside of the driver's door. That's what makes it authentic.
KK for Carcraft, the outboard company that Ford Motor Company contracted with to make pretty extensive modifications to accommodate that big, exotic 429. Probably saw the best success in NASCAR, but not in the Mustang body style, but in the midsize, the intermediate platform. Why didn't they put that engine in a Torino? I don't know.
Yeah.
2 Cougars were built.
Yes.
Both used for drag racing.
Fast Eddie Shartman got one, and I think Dino Don Nicholson got the other one.
That sounds right.
Yeah.
Sold it, $250,000.